where we left yesterday. From there only we are going to start. Eighth classification we have done, that is clozapine, है ना? We have done with clozapine. Yes, right? Am I right? Loxapine and clozapine. These two drugs we have covered, no, yesterday. The eighth classification, that is dibenzodiazepine derivative, clozapine, है ना? यहाँ तक किया था. Then ninth class of the drug, the chemical class under the classification of antipsychotic agent. The last ninth and tenth, two classifications are there. The ninth one is diphenyl, diphenyl butyl piperidine. इसका मतलब our basic nucleus is diphenyl butyl piperidine. Diphenyl butyl piperidine. In this, the derivative of diphenyl piperidine is pymozide. So this is there in your syllabus. Pymozide. This is an example. Pymozide is an example of chemical class of diphenyl butyl piperidine. Its derivative is pymazide. So this is the drug which you are having in your syllabus. This is not a star mark drug. This is common drug which is there in your syllabus. Just what you have to do for this, you know everything. सिर्फ स्टार मार्क ड्रग जो है, for that you have to carry out the synthetic process, pharmacological action, structural activity and relationship, uses, chemical name, brand name or any other modifications are there on that drug, star mark drug. बाकी का only the structure, chemical name, uses, brand name, if any. ठीक है? If there means it's okay, not there means don't go for that much deep. Diphenyl butyl piperidine, उसकी डेरिवेटिव है pymazide. Then this one is a generic name. This one is a generic name, and brand name of this drug is, this one is a generic name and brand name is very nice, छोटा सा brand name है, that is ORAP. ORAP. So this is the brand name of Pymozide. Pymozide is a generic name and ORAP is a brand name. This is sold under the brand name of ORAP. So uses, as usual, it is antipsychotic agent, but the structure of this drug is very big. You are not going to get, if structures were large. So one point, keep in mind that if the structure is big, then in your examination you are going to get write the chemical structure or structure for this drug. If the structure is small, then you are going to face the question like write the IUPAC name, chemical name, brand name, all those things. अगर structure बड़ा है, then you are going to get only the draw the chemical structure for pymozide. So इतना करने के लिए ही you are going to get so many marks. So the pymozide structure is very big. Why I am repeating each and every time every drug molecule, because it will, you will get remember that if I am repeating 2 3 times, you are going to click that yes, of course this is that structure. Pymosides, the structure is very big because here it is derivatives diphenyl butyl piperidine. डाइफिनाइल भी रहेगा स्ट्रक्चर में, ब्यूटेन भी रहेगा, पाइपरडीन भी रहेगा, ऑल दी स्ट्रक्चर्स वेर देयर. ठीक है? सो एवरीथिंग वी हैव टू राइट. सो द डेरिवेटिव इज पाइमोजाइड. ठीक है? बट बेसिक न्यूक्लियस तो रहेगा ही रहेगा. सो सी एच, ब्यूटेन तो है ही है, CH2 and CH2, methane ethane propane butane, it's over. To this butane, diphenyl, of course we are going to draw the diphenyl group. Diphenyl butane it is. Now I'm going to draw the butane. Two phenylic group, but those phenylic group contain fluorine atoms. If any kind of atoms are attached to phenylic group, means those atoms will activate the chemical property of this ring, increase the lipophilicity of the drug. CH2 butane, of course. Then another one what we are having, piperidine. So piperidine pymozide it is. Piperidine को तो लगा देंगे हम, but one more structure, that is the derivative. So that derivative is connected from here onward. See, pymoride. ये पूरा basic nucleus it is. Now this one is connection, because of that it is pymoside. Because of this connection it is pymoside. Ketonic group we are having, and this is the 5-membered ring, and that 5-membered ring attached with benzene group, 6-membered ring. Okay. Now this is the 6-membered ring. Numbering starting from here onward: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But this one is benzene ring. It is fully saturated. Okay. Now this is 5-membered ring with 2 nitrogen atom and one more ketonic group is there over here. So this is the structure of pymoside. ठीक है, इसको याद कैसे रखना है? Pymoside is a derivative of diphenyl butyl piperidine. So diphenyl groups are there, that is merged with the fluorine, and one butane chain is there. The butane chain is connected with piperidine. That piperidine connected with benzene containing 5-membered ring with 2 nitrogen atom. ठीक है, तो जितना हम लोगों ने हेट्रोसाइक्लिक ऑल हेट्रोसाइक्लिक केमिस्ट्री यू अप्लाई ओवर हियर, वॉट एंड ऑल थिंग यू हैव लर्न. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे हो गया. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द केमिकल नेम. द स्ट्रक्चर इज बिग. कीप इन माइंड दैट मैडम ने ऐसे बोला है कि नाम नहीं याद करना है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. if you are going to get in examination convert this IUPAC name to structure, then that time you have to write like this. ठीक है, so remember that wherever the bond will come and what are the position. नंबरिंग नहीं दिया मैंने, सो ठीक है. नंबरिंग आई एम गोइंग टू गिव इट नाउ. इसको दिया मैंने नंबरिंग 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ठीक है. Now for this we have to give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It's already 1. So this one is connected to the butane and this is connected to this. So 4, it's over. Now 1 butane it is. We are going to start from this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So now this one is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. This is of course starting from here onwards. 2, 3, 4 किधर से भी स्टार्ट करो ये ग्रुप को 4 ही मिलेगा इसको. ठीक है, 4, 5 and 6. So the numbering is over. So how many units are there? This is one. This is similar things which were attached, the 2 phenolic group and butane, and this one is piperidine, and this one is the benzene ring merged with the 5-membered ring. Now connection 1 on first position, square bracket, another one connection, another one. So this is the first connection. On this butane, what we are having, 4 and 4, 2, 4. ठीक है, 4 on fourth position. Butane is there, of course. On fourth position we are having 2 phenylic group. 4, 4, 4, 4 means on fourth position we are having 2. 4, 4 bis, 4, 4 bis. In bracket I am going to write, these are the separate unit. In bracket bis 4 फ्लोरोफिनाइल, एंड फ्लोरोफिनाइल के बाद मैं इसको बंद कर दूंगी. ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट इट इज फ्लोरोफिनाइल ब्यूटाइल ग्रुप, फ्लोरोफिनाइल ब्यूटाइल ग्रुप. ठीक है, सो नाउ दिस वन इज ओवर. ब्यूटाइल, फ्लोरोफिनाइल, ब्यूटाइल, एक का काम खत्म हो गया. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू क्लोज दिस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. another one position on fourth, what we are having, see, on fourth this butane is there. 4 and fourth connection, piperidinal. ठीक है, piperidinal. So this thing also I am going to close. On fourth position piperidinal over, and 1 and 3. So this 1 and 3. 1 and 3 dihydro, 1 and 3 dihydro, one ketonic group is there. For that we are going to write 2H, 2H. So this unit 2H benzimidazole 2 on. Okay, this one is a chemical name. Okay, now this one is over. Another one thing you can do for this, instead of starting from 1, आपने बोला था 1, ठीक है, instead of starting from 1 you can start from this onward. इसको पहले 1 3 को पहले लिख के बाकी का पूरा बाद में लिख दो. But this is the proper name for this one. This much is enough for you people. This much is enough. Chemical name sure you are not going to get, but structure you are going to get. ठीक है, अगर आ रहा है देन यू राइट. इतने बड़े का तो केमिकल नेम नहीं आएगा, छोटे स्ट्रक्चर जो रहेंगे फॉर दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द IUPAC नेम इन एग्जामिनेशन. कन्वर्ट द नेम टू स्ट्रक्चर, स्ट्रक्चर टू नेम. अगर गलती से आ भी गया देन यू राइट इन दिस फॉर्मेट. ठीक है, so this one is about the diphenyl pymozide. IUPAC name is over. Then see, so this IUPAC name in other books it is given in different format. Instead of 1 you are having 3. If it is on third position then so this one, this 3 is at this point. 3 इसलिए क्योंकि I have started from 1 so I have written 1 over here because 1 एंडिंग हो रहा है ये ग्रुप पे 1 3 डाईहाइड्रो 2H. तो ये यूनिट जो स्टार्ट हो रही है 1 से स्टार्ट हो रही है. ठीक है, if in the last one example of drug I said that if you are getting confusion like similar heteroatoms were there, if you are starting from this onward one chemical name, अगर यहाँ से नहीं स्टार्ट करना है ये नाइट्रोजन से एटम से स्टार्ट करना है देन ऑल्सो दिस कीटोनिक ग्रुप विल गेट 2. ठीक है, इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दैट इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम लाइक दिस 1 2 and 3, instead of in place of 1 you write 3. Understood? यहाँ के एक की बजाय आप यहाँ पे 3 लिख दो because it is starting from third onward. 1 means this is a big connection, big moiety which is attached to this unit diphenyl butyl piperidine. Because of this unit this is the derivative pymozide. ठीक है, so dipymozide means two nitrogen atoms, two nitrogen atom aza groups are there, one ketonic group is there, one benzene. Pi means one phenolic atom is there. So this is the generic name for this drug. ठीक है, now this one is ORAP is a brand name, company given name for this drug. ठीक है, एक की बजाय आप 3 लिखोगे इसका मतलब ये है कि यहाँ से आपने नंबरिंग नहीं स्टार्ट किया हुआ है, आपने यहाँ से नंबरिंग स्टार्ट किया हुआ है. You have started from this onward, because of that it got 3. If you have started from this onward then you are going to get 1 what I have written. Same name, in place of everything you will get 3 over here. So बाकी का पूरा same रहेगा, nothing, because of this 3 numbering. ठीक है, so this is about the chemical name and everything. Then of course this drug is used as antipsychotic agent. Brand name, chemical name, structure, IUPAC name, over. Then we'll see the last drug of antipsychotic class. The last drug, the last classification, yes, 11 classification it is, but we have made both the classes of drug in one category. So both are same. Benz isoxazole. ठीक है, benz isoxazole and 2, both the category we have written in one class. Benz isoxazole and benz isothiazole. Thiazole, oxazole or thiazole. Oxazole means oxygen with the nitrogen atom, thiazole means sulfur with the nitrogen atom. All means 5 membered ring. ठीक है, ये chemical name से you have to figure out your chemical component from the name itself. The chemical category itself says that you are having oxygen atom with the nitrogen atom in 5 membered ring. In this class benzene of course, but sulfur atom with the oxygen atom. So this is the heterocyclic atoms which were present in our drug molecule. Okay, now class of this drug is only one in your syllabus. See, Belonging to this category, so many examples of drugs were there, but I have chosen only those drugs which are there in your syllabus belonging to this category. I'm not mentioning almost all the name of example of this drug belonging to this category. अगर मैं वैसे क्लासिफिकेशन बोलूंगी, you are not going to write any kind of classification in example, in exam. Examiner want that you have to write the proper classification with example. ठीक है, अगर एग्जाम्पल आ रहा है ठीक है, बट दिस केमिकल कैटेगरी शुड बी देयर इन योर क्लासिफिकेशन पार्ट. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल 10 क्लास, फर्स्ट क्लास इज क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 सब क्लास. वो 3 सब क्लास के अंदर वन वन ड्रग्स आर देयर इन योर सिलेबस, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव मेंशन ऑल द 3 सब क्लास. बाकी के ऑल द क्लासिफिकेशन, सम क्लासिफिकेशन नो आई हैव नॉट मेंशन एनी एग्जांपल्स, because there you don't have, in your syllabus, that category you don't have any example of drug. That's why I have not mentioned in my classification part here. If you want to go that much deep, so many books are there, I'm going to give you the reference, so you can study. फार्माकोलॉजी में भी सारे क्लासिफिकेशन मिल जाएंगे आपके, जैसे आप फार्माकोलॉजी भी पढ़ रहे हो फाइनल ईयर में, देर ऑल्सो you will get same classification, but only the example here, but structure you have to practice all the structure, each and every part of that molecule. Okay, so example of this drug, oxazole and thiazole, benzoxazole, benzthiazole. Example of this drug is only one, that is risperidone. Risperidone is a generic name for this drug, risperidone, and brand name of this drug, brand name is risperidol. Risperidal, risperidol, risperidone. It is the generic name for chemical class of example of this drug. Generic name means जो chemical name example है वही. Brand name is same drug, but the company has gave the name to that drug according to their parameter, what is fitting into that parameter. This is brand name is given by the company who is going to prepare this molecule. ठीक है, तो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ये जो प्रिपेयर करेगा फार्मूलेशन, दे आर गोइंग टू गिव द नेम to this. Those names were called as a brand name. ठीक है, these are the chemical name for that same chemical name, they are going to make some changes. ठीक है, so this one is the generic name for that, risperidol and risperidol, risperidone and risperidol, AL. ठीक है, brand name. Now it is also used as antipsychotic agent. Then I'm going to write the structure for this one. See, the risperidol structure is, बहुत अच्छा स्ट्रक्चर है ये, एकदम प्यारा सा. ठीक है. Hmm. So here you are having one nitrogen atom plus, this is the member of the ring. Here you are having one ketonic group. ठीक है, one double bond over here, one more double bond over here, one CH3 group over here. See, this nitrogen atom is there between both. This is the sharing nitrogen atom, heteroatom. If it is in sharing, then we have to give numbering to that heteroatom also. ठीक है, अगर if bound is in sharing, we are not going to give the numbering. So that is the rule what we have studied in heterocyclic chemistry. Here CH2 and CH2. ठीक है, then nitrogen atom Hmm. Nitrogen atom, five-membered ring, oxygen atom, isoxazole. Then five-membered ring. Here we are having one bond. So this is the six-membered ring which is attached to this five-membered ring. But here you are having one fluorine atom. See, this is the structure of your risperidol. That is, risperidol is a brand name. Risperidol. Okay. Now, numbering. See, very interesting. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this one will get 5, not this one. Because, बताती हूँ आप 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ठीक है. See, if we are doing, if we are dissecting, if we are separating that molecule, the heteroatom is in sharing between both the atom. अगर हम उसको अलग कर देंगे, we are separating, so this is one molecule. Dissection अगर इसका करेंगे, cut करेंगे, this is one molecule. So this one is another. One nitrogen atom in between both the bond means you have learned in your OC3. So this is the connection, of course. This is the methyl group. But here you are having ketonic group. It means this nitrogen atom is there in both the ring. That's why we have to label this one. If carbon atom is in sharing, then we are not going to give any numbering because this is countable. This is a countable nitrogen atom because it is there in both the ring. ठीक है. अगर हम इसका डिसेक्शन करेंगे, सेपरेट करेंगे, अलग कर देंगे, then that nitrogen atom is there in this ring also, that nitrogen atom is there in this ring also, there in both the rings. That's why we are going to give the label to that one. ठीक है. So we gave label to that one. Then 1 and 2 numbering still it is there, still pending. 1, 2, then it is ethyl group. Then 1, 2, 3, fourth position, 5 and 6. The fourth position, this is attached. Now, we are going to give priority to the oxygen atom. 2. Now, this one is 3. Okay? And carbon atom is in sharing. This one is 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So, this is numbering is like this. Okay? Now, IUPAC name, it's very big because the structure is also big. Risperidol बहुत बड़ा है तो नाम भी उसका बड़ा रहेगा. So many connections are there. So this unit is connected at third position. ठीक है. So I am going to write 3 over here because it is connected to third position. So last में आएगा इसका नाम क्योंकि it is other connected. This is the moiety which is connected to that part. So 3. ठीक है. And another one 2 connection 2 and I'm going to write another one square bracket 4. ठीक है. 2 and 4 on fourth position. ठीक है. Fourth position. Fourth position. This whole moiety is there on this fourth position. The whole group. ये 4 पे ये पूरी unit है. So that full unit I am going to write in one bracket. ठीक है. 6 on sixth position we are having fluorine atom. 6 fluoro. Then 1, 2, 6 fluoro. On first and second position, of course, we are studying the example of isoxazole, benzene isoxazole and benzene isothiazole. अगर वैसे रहता then whole moiety is same, only the difference is in place of oxygen atom we would have been a sulfur atom will have over here. But we are having nitrogen and oxygen because it is belonging to the category of benz isooxazole. So 1 2 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 benzene जो क्लास है वो बेसिक यूनिट आई एम गोइंग टू राइट ओवर हियर बेंज benzoxazole. On third position, it is connected with alkyl group 3L. ठीक है. Now this one is a piperidine ring. ठीक है. Piperidine ring. Piperidine. Piperidine ring. Of course, first position. First position is connected. So L I am going to write. First position पे L. It is connected. What connection is ethyl? ठीक है. Ethyl. Now close this full bracket. ठीक है. Ethyl is over. Then ethyl के बाद में we are, now this unit ethyl on second position we are having 2 methyl. अभी देखो 2 methyl. So this part, this is one unit. It is not fully saturated, not fully unsaturated. It is partially unsaturated component. So 3 methyl. So we have to figure out the bond which were saturated, the carbon which is not having double bond, that we have to count. So 2 methyl to this unit, 2 methyl. We have written 2 methyl. Then how many? 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I'm going to write over here 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 tetrahydro tetrahydro ketonic group we are having pyridone. It is tetrahydro. Pyridine means tetrahydro. Pyrido. Pyrido. Connection I'm going to write 1 and 2, first and second position at major ring A part. One bond. This bond is A. This is 1 and 2. This bond is A in the major ring. A full ring is pyrimidine. So this is pyridol. This is pyridine ring. So this one is pyridine. Why it is pyridine? Because one nitrogen atom. This is two nitrogen atom. With ketonic group, it is not fully saturated. So this one is pyrimidine. Pyrimidine 4 on. On fourth position, we are having ketonic group. So this is the chemical name for this class of drug. Now, so this is the last drug for antipsychotic agent. We have done with our antipsychotic agent. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me related to this topic. Any doubt? Last part we are going to start. Last part. अरे और एक है. Wait. Risperidol. Sorry. So this is risperidol. Another one drug is there. You are sitting with syllabus, no? You people, students, you are sitting with syllabus, no? Last drug, sulfpyride. Same class, 12th drug, that is 11th drug. Risperidol, मैंने लिखा था ऑक्साजोल थायाजोल. अब यहाँ पे आपको थायो ग्रुप मिलेगा. Risperidol and sulfuride. This is the generic name, and brand name of this drug is sulpiride. Brand name of this drug and structure of this drug, sulpiride. Structure of this drug, 6-membered ring. With 6-membered ring, we are having one sulfur group. With that sulfur group, we are having two oxygen atom. With that, we are having one NH2 group. Okay. So here we are having one more OCH3. So here it is ketonic group NH amide. Okay. Then ethyl. With this ethyl, we are having 5-membered ring. That 5-membered ring is not 5-membered ring is fully saturated, not unsaturated. So ये हो गया अपना structure of celprite. Last drug for antipsychotic agent 2, 3, 4 and sorry इधर से स्टार्ट करना था मुझे. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 over. So here of course 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So IUPAC name you are going to get, write the structure and IUPAC name for sulfide because it is small structure, it is not that much big structure. The IUPAC name is also very small. We are going to start with N because it is connected this amide bond. We are going to start with N, N square bracket. In that square bracket, we are going to write the name of that unit 1, 1 ethyl. This unit on nth position, this unit is connected. So it is N ethyl pyrrolidine. Pyrrolidine because no double bonds are there. So this is pyrrolidine it is. ठीक. Pyrrolidine on second position, one connection. Sorry, we can't close that bracket. Pyrrolidine 2L because alkyl group methane, one methane group, methyl, methyl. So square bracket. So this also we have counted. Now this amide bond is left. On second position, we are having so this second position. On second position, this second position, huh? The second position we are having methoxy group. इसका आएगा एग्जाम में. You are going to face because it is small, not that much big chemical name. Structure is also small. Methoxy. Methoxy. On fifth position, we are having sulfamoyl. Amino group is there. Benzamide. ठीक है. Sulfamoyl amino group with SO2 with NH2, that is sulfamoyl. Amide, this is NH, C double bond O, sulfamoyl. 5 sulfamoyl. पूरा नाम इसका लिखना. Connect this amide group with the benzene. Benzamide, sulfamoyl, benzamide. Of course, this is antipsychotic agent. Brand name is used as antipsychotic agent. Major schizophrenic disorder, depression disorder, used in depression disorder. So this is the last drug of antipsychotic agent. खत्म हो गए यहाँ तक अपने लास्ट ड्रग. लास्ट टॉपिक इज पार्किंसोनिज्म ऑफ सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. तो पीरियडिक के लिए आपको द फुल टॉपिक ऑफ दिस सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम, ऑल द स्ट्रक्चर, सिंथेसिस, केमिकल नेम, आयुपैक नेम, एवरीथिंग. ठीक है. एग्जाम के लिए मैंने इतना रखा है पोर्शन. Any doubt before starting the new topic? Last topic of CNS. Any doubt, dear students?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. So this is the last topic of our central nervous system. Drug acting on CNS. The anti-Parkinson's. You know that what is anti-Parkinson's? The anti-Parkinson's are the drugs which are acting on Parkinsonism. These are acting directly on brain. So this deficiency, this is not a deficiency, this is clinical Parkinsonism is a clinical entity which is comes after 50 years of the age. ठीक है, it is a syndrome, it is not a disease. This is syndrome which is affected to the person at higher age, the people who are having higher age more than 50. After 50 years this kind of syndrome will be affected to the human beings. So this is the syndrome which associated with different kind of symptoms, that is muscle rigidity, tremor, tachycardia, bradycardia, then mood changes, sometimes damaging of the liver. So this kind of syndromes, anti-Parkinsonism, this is occurs due to degradation of dopamine. This is occurs, ये क्यों होता है भाई? Because of degradation of dopamine, dopamine in the neuron. न्यूरॉन के अंदर डोपामाइन का डिग्रेडिएशन जब होता है, देन पार्किंसोनिज्म is the disease or syndrome which will affect to the person. Due to degradation of the neuron, the degradation of neuron in the part of the brain system is dopamine in the neuron, ठीक है, in the sub part, which part? The part is substantia, substantia nigra, substantia nigra pars compacta. ठीक है, so this is substantia nigra pars compacta. In examination, if you are getting match the following, means this is the long form of the drug. If you are getting drug plus this short form, then you have to match accordingly with that drug which is comes under anti-Parkinsonism. For example, carbidopa. Carbidopa is a dopamine. It dopamine का डिग्रेडिएशन होने से दिस इज हैपनिंग, ठीक है, because of degradation of dopamine it is happening. The degradation of dopamine is happening in substantia nigra pars compacta. So the short form of that is substantia nigra pars compacta. ठीक है, so this is the short form. शॉर्ट फॉर्म एंड मैच द फॉलोइंग में ड्रग आया, कार्बिडोपा, लिविडोपा, कौन सा भी डोपा आया, देन यू मैच अकॉर्डिंगली विद दिस SNPC or substantia nigra pars compacta. So this is the disorder or syndrome which is affect to the high aged people. So this is occurs due to the degradation of dopamine. See, dopamine and the level of dopamine acetylcholine is in the same level, then that person is healthy. If the normal level of dopamine and acetylcholine, मैं सिंपल बता देती हूँ, पूरा नहीं दे explanation नहीं दूंगी. I'm not going to give almost all the explanation because in pharmacology you're going to study what is Parkinsonism, anti-Parkinsonism, drugs. So dopamine, if the individual is normal, the dopamine and acetylcholine are in balance. ठीक है, ये बैलेंस फॉर्म में रहेगा. So these are in balance. It means that the basal ganglion of dopamine, the where the dopamines were present, they present in the ganglion of the neuron. वहां पे degeneration हो रहा है. ठीक है, so in normal, if the dopamine and acetylcholines are in balance, it means that the basal ganglion of dopamine activity is in balance at cholinergic system. ठीक है, ये cholinergic system के अंदर both are in a balanced form. If both are in balanced form, it means that the person is normal. He is not an affected person with the Parkinsonism. Agar if he is affected with the syndrome, then the level of dopamine will increase and level of acetylcholine will be decreased. ठीक है, if Parkinsonism नॉर्मल रहेगा, दोनों बैलेंस में रहेंगे, वेयर द डोपामाइन दे आर बैलेंस इन basal ganglion कोलिनर्जिक सिस्टम, ठीक है, कोलिनर्जिक सिस्टम, एनर्जिक सिस्टम के अंदर कोई गड़बड़ नहीं है, इसका मतलब अगर acetylcholine is in low form and dopamine is in higher concentration, then this person is not normal person, this person is Parkinsonism, affected with the disease called Parkinsonism. In chemically it is also called as, another one technical name for this is Wilson's disease. So mood, changing of mood, forgetfulness, all these things were happening in this condition, ठीक है. सो पार्किंसोनिज्म, डोपामाइन का इंक्रीज हुआ, एसिटाइलकोलिन का डिक्रीज हुआ, इसका मतलब इट इज ड्यू टू डिप्लीटेशन ऑफ dopamine in relation to cholinergic activity, means effect in the cholinergic disorder. Cholinergic disorder, एक ही टर्म में बोल दो, cholinergic disorder. It means that increase level of dopamine and decrease level of acetylcholine. It means that only one technical term, it is cholinergic disorder. Activity of cholinergic system is not in a good condition. So they are not in a balanced form. It means that the person is a Parkinsonism person. So this condition we have to give anti-Parkinsonism drug. The anti-Parkinsonism drugs like haloperidol, uh, haloperidol, carbidopa, levodopa, all those things we are going to give to this person. अब ये हो गया नॉर्मल, अब ये हो गया पार्किंसोनिज्म. देन अगर if we are going to give treatment, ठीक है, we have identified that it is a normal, it is not that much abnormal, but the level is not in a balanced form, ठीक है. Sometime the person who are having the depression disorder, they can also give the symptoms like Parkinsonism. Depressed person के अंदर भी ये symptoms दिखेंगे, okay. If those symptoms are there in a depressed person, we are going to give antidepressant drug with the Parkinson dose of Parkinsonism to treat that one. The normal being it is not that much normal, not that much abnormal. Then normal drugs we are like, if we are having fever, we are going to take the paracetamol, like that condition it is. Okay. If it is severe condition, then it requires treatment. अभी जो भी ड्रग पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग एंटी पार्किंसोनिज्म, those we are going to give to this person. So this condition is called as treatment, where we are going, dopamine is, we are going to reduce the active here. Here the increase level, decrease level of acetylcholine, but to give treatment here, the level of dopamine, the level of dopamine is good, is to balance this level of dopamine. What we are going to do in this pharmacological condition, we are going to increase the dose of both dopamine as well as, I'm going to write two times because we are going to increase, already it is increased, some more drug we are going to give to this person to increase the level of acetylcholine. Acetylcholine को increase करने के लिए we are going to give higher dose of acetylcholine and low dose of dopamine containing prescription. So this condition will balance the level of acetylcholine and dopamine in that person. So here that is restoration. This is called as, the term is called as restoration of dopamine. Dopamine already have, but it is in increased quantity. So what we'll do, that increased quantity we are going to restore. When we are restoring, how we are going to restore, it is already in increased condition, we are going to restore that this one by giving higher level of acetylcholine. देखो जब जब बैलेंस करते हैं ना हम लोग, एक तरफ का ज्यादा रहता है, एक तरफ का कम रहता है. अगर ज्यादा हो गया तो वो शॉप वाला क्या करेगा, सम मोर quantity of that grains or something he is going to put in that balance part. So the level balance will be become normal. To increase this level, what we are going to do, we are going to restore the dopamine but increase the level of acetylcholine. Now this condition is called as the treatment. This is severe condition. So restoration of dopamine restoration of dopamine to activate the acetylcholine ACH activity. Where acetylcholines are present? Of course, the acetylcholines are present in muscarinic receptor. ठीक है, ठीक है. So we are restoring this one by increasing the level of acetylcholine. Agar if drug it is not possible, then we are going to do the surgery. Last option. सर्जरी तो करेंगे नहीं, but at last the person is that much important. प्राइम मिनिस्टर वो है, वो क्या होम मिनिस्टर है, if he is affected with the depression condition like Parkinsonism, that time we are going to do the operation. If all the treatments are fails, then the last option is surgery. With surgery, we are going to give the lesion to the brain, LISION, lesion to the brain. So the technical condition is called as pallidotomy. Pallidotomy surgery. That pallidotomy surgery is nothing but lesion in the brain, making of lesion in the brain to stimulate the acetylcholine. ठीक है, so that is the last option for the treatment. So that is the Parkinsonism drug. ठीक है, so this lesion or operation can be done by degradation of by reducing the dark pigment which were present, which will show that dark pigment in the part of the brain. We are going to oxidize with the dopamine, activate the neurotransmitter and decrease the level of dopamine. जैसे decrease level dopamine का हो जाएगा, acetylcholine का itself it will get increase. ठीक है, so this is about the introductory part of your Parkinsonism. In the next class, we are going to start with the classification of drugs associated with the anti-Parkinsonism and example of drugs. So there were 7 drugs in the anti-Parkinsonism. In the next class, we are going to wind up the central nervous system. After completion of this anti-Parkinsonism drug, I'm going to forward you in your on your classroom almost all the drug bank related to the central nervous system. 3 टॉपिक के मैंने ऑलरेडी फॉरवर्ड किए हैं. Still 3 more topics were pending, so that also I'm going to forward you on the classroom. Don't worry about it, but follow the videos, see the lectures, make practice of structures and practice of writing how to write the IUPAC name for the structure. ठीक है, don't just attend the class for attendance. ठीक है, attendance के लिए attend मत करना, वो मैं दे दूंगी तुम लोगों को, but you learn then give me the 100% result. ऐसे नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. जब मैं इतनी मेहनत से पढ़ा रही हूँ, then I expect the same result from you people. उस अगर नहीं करोगे तो क्या होगा, that also you know. ठीक है ना, मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ पता है, वो भी पता है आप लोगों को, है ना. Shall I stop over here? I'm going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
stop this session. सो गए क्या सब लोग? सुन रहे हैं सब लोग? सुन रहे हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ठीक है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.